Ever spend hours debugging a writing assistant's API only to find your NLP model lags like a dial up modem? This skill arms you with battle tested tools, end to end data cleaning pipelines that handle messy Reddit threads or academic papers, transformer based architectures fine tuned for style transfer and grammar correction, real time API scaffolding using fast API and WebSockets, and optimization tricks like quantization aware training and Onyx runtime acceleration. Whether you're an AI engineer drowning in Jupyter notebooks, an ML practitioner battling PyTorch versus TensorFlow, or a full stack dev trying to ship a product before Q4, we've got your back. Spoiler, it doesn't involve duct taping GPT-3 to a Notepad++ plugin. Here's what's inside the Building AI Writing Assistant skill. Master data preparation pipelines that normalize text across 150 plus languages and handle edge cases like mixed code snippets. Train transformer models using Hugging Face's T5 architecture with custom attention masks for context aware suggestions. Deploy lightweight APIs with Docker containers optimized for sub 50 milliseconds latency. Implement reinforcement learning for style adaptation. Think switching between AP style and Reddit snark on demand. Debug common pitfalls like token bleed and context window overflow. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your AI just became the MVP of the keyboard squad. Installing the Building AI Writing Assistant skill takes one command. npx quanta-skills add Building AI Writing Assistant. That's it. You'll get the complete skill: expert level guidance on BERT based model pruning, ready to deploy fast API templates, and code for handling cursed inputs like all caps conspiracy theories. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. No config files needed. Suddenly, your AI assistant knows how to optimize tokenizers for domain specific jargon, implement streaming inference with WebSockets, and debug attention matrix mismatches. Don't worry, it won't judge you for that one time you called softmax a questionable life choice.